I walk away. I can't listen to a word you say. You're so wrong, chronically headstrong. So you lit the match, a beautiful sound. Can't you feel the heat of standing pointless ground? I know I do. It's burning me through. But you'll do it again, make a mess of things you're incapable of, holding on to anything. Go ahead and walk away. Just be forewarned that you can't come back again. I'll be just fine. This white trash loser's made an art of getting by. I'm afraid I just can't say the same for you. Pamper grandpa's boy, have you ever had to work for food? Someday you'll realize it's yours, not mine. So go ahead and tell your version of the truth. Get to play the martyr like you've always wanted to. You'll meet new friends and tell your tales of woe, of this crazy bitch from Cleveland who only tried to help you grow. Someday you'll realize it's yours, not mine. Once it's too late, I'm sure you'll know right. It's yours, not mine.